Hi, would you like to know how to change home screen layout on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? So, as a first step, for that we would need to open settings on our phone and then scroll down until you'll find a tab which is named home screen. Here is it how it looks. We would need to click on it to open, and here find this tab which is named home screen layout. You can see it right here. So we would need to click on it, and here we've got two options, which is home and app screen and then home screen only. So currently I have the home and app screen, which is looking like this, that I've got a few pages on my home screen, and then I can swipe it up to open the app library, which is basically called where I can find all of the available applications on my phone. But if you would like to get rid of this app library and have all of your applications on your home screen, for that go back to the settings, then home screen layout, and instead of the home and app screen, choose home screen only, and then click apply at the middle of your screen. This is it. Now all of your applications will be on your home screen and there's no more app library. I hope this video was helpful and have a great day.